Hey, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. If you guys enjoy anything Supreme streetwear sneaker related, go ahead and subscribe down below and smash that like button as well, but it's totally optional. Now, I know that you guys already know that I am giving away a Supreme half zip, but this is just for the new people that might be watching this video. I am going to be giving away a 2016 or 2015 Supreme half zip in like a creamish colorway. I'm gonna just show you guys for 2 seconds, then we'll get right into the video. So this is the piece that I'll be giving away, and it's gonna be done in like 8 or 7 more days, so make sure you go ahead and join that. I just want as many people to join the giveaway as possible. That way there's a lot of people entered to win something free. Like, who doesn't like something free? But with that being said, today I have 2 packages to open for you guys from Spring Summer 18. I think I have a week 2 item and a week 3 item, and I don't want to waste any more time, so I honestly don't know which one this is, but I know that I have a week 2 and week 3 item. I didn't want to do separate videos because that's a little bit much, so I just threw them both into one video. Screw it, that way I'm caught up with unboxings too. So I'm gonna just open that with a screwdriver. Let's get it. Boom. Got the little Supreme box logo, round shape. You might already know what this is. Okay, so this is the week 3 item, and I already see something good in here. So we finally got the BOGO, people. We got that glow in the dark sexy right there. I'm gonna rip this open. People are really reselling these BOGOs for $20. Like, what the hell? That's insane, but oh shit. It got bent. No. Look at that sexy box logo, people. Mine is doing the moonwalk, but it's still pretty cool. That glow in the dark sexiness. We got another package of poppy seeds. We got the chicken dinner sticker. There you go. And we got that holographic looking chair sticker. This one's pretty dope. I like the sticker more than the shirt, honestly. I didn't think I was gonna get one of these stickers, but I'm glad they came in. Week 3, I believe. So that's the sticker. Now we got the water can. It comes in like this little paperish looking thing with like these seals on it. I'm gonna just slide that off. And here we got the Supreme Sig water bottle. So you're gonna be seeing this in the background. I'm honestly gonna be using this. They always come out with these and they don't resell for that much during the season, but after the season, they're gonna go up to like 120, 140. Boom, so first package out the way, that was week 3. Now I'm gonna get into this week 2 package. Now for week 2, there was honestly a couple things that I liked. There was the Vans and there was this, but I honestly like this piece way more than the Vans because I feel like the Vans were overrated and they did not come out with the old schools, which were initially what I honestly wanted. I would have definitely went for those if those would have been the ones that came out. So here we got week 2. Bang. You already know, Supreme bag. Hey, we got another sticker packet. I'm honestly digging these little sticker packets because it looks like they're pre-prepared or whatever. And it's just dope because that way you get like a set of stickers. I don't know, it just feels like more legit this way. So I'm gonna go through these. So I got 2 Akira box logos and now I got 2 of these. That's pretty dope. This one is in better condition than the other one. Bang, skull box logo added to the collection. Another packet of poppy seeds. You get the point. And we got 2 of the same stickers. We got the dinner one, bang, and we got the chair one. So we got double ups on both stickers. So that's the stickers. Here we got the tennis balls. Now these are pretty dope. I honestly really like the fact that I could accessorize with these, much like the water bottle in the background. These are gonna be right here, like, or something. You know, I could use these to have in the room. I'm gonna definitely get shelves or something. So these would definitely help out the way that my room looks as well. They have like the red box logo on them. And I feel like these are definitely gonna go up in value as time goes on. And the price they came out with was unbeatable. $16 plus 10 shipping, 26. That's not bad. That's like the price of a keychain, which is not bad. So for today's pickups, I got the water bottle from week 3. And I got the tennis balls from week 2. They're pretty dope items. I really like these 2 pickups. And they're just something that's gonna help my room in general. And this is gonna definitely be useful. Everybody needs a good drink from a Hype Beast bottle. Well, with that being said, that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe as well. That definitely means a lot, but it's totally optional. And enter that giveaway. Like I said before, you have the chance to win, but I'm tired of saying it. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.